This is the perfect setup for me telling a hilarious story. It sets the mood. Hey, I'm Sebastian Clovis, and welcome back to Home Network's DIY Studio. Victoria Day long weekend is the unofficial start to outdoor hosting season, but that doesn't have to come with a ton of pressure. We're joined by design expert Charlene Wong to help us out.
That's right, Seb. Today we are sharing 3 easy ideas with the help of Wayfair to help you create a welcoming space for outdoor entertaining all season long. It's all about comfort, flexibility, and keeping things simple.
That's right, and we always start with the heart, but after that, the heart of the space.
Yes, the fire pit naturally becomes the gathering point, so when you arrange seating in a loose circle, it encourages conversation and it keeps people lingering longer.
And it really sets the mood.
Exactly. Start with the fire and let the night unfold. It really anchors the space without overwhelming it.
And you know what goes great with the fire? S'mores. And this setup is familiar, but a little more elevated. This is the perfect spot, right next to the candies. When I throw a garden party, I like to put lots of invites out, and then whoever shows up, it's cool. The guest list is never really set.
That's why flexible seating is so important. Lightweight chairs and posts that can easily be moved between indoors and outdoors as guests arrive. This way the space feels more relaxed and welcoming rather than structured.
That's right.
So it's important to have seating that moves with the moment.
I like that you can leave them out, whether it's raining, snowing, or anything else. They're weather safe.
Yes.
Now this time of year, it can still feel cool outside.
This is where cozy layers come in, so outdoor safe throws and cushions add warmth without locking into that full summer setup.
So it feels finished, but not overdone.
Neutral bases keep everything versatile, so these pieces work now and transition easily into the rest of the season.
Perfect.
Layer for comfort, not for commitment.
That's how Victoria Day hosting should feel. Easy, welcoming, and focused on time together.
And when everything you need to pull this together is easy to find and the style that works for your home and your budget, hosting starts to feel a lot more enjoyable.
And that's what it's all about. Thank you so much for these wonderful suggestions, Charlene. And happy long weekend to everyone out there. And we'll see you next time on Home Network's DIY Studio. Presented in part by Wayfair.ca. Every style, every home.